Oh no!
One afternoon, a few days after Christmas, little Johnny was playing with his new train set that Santa had left under his tree. His mom was in the kitchen cleaning as she hears him say,
Folks, it's getting dangerous out there. The Indians and the gunslingers are taking over. It's just not safe anywhere these days. So, if you're taking the train, just know, we traveled through some pretty rough territory. And there are no guarantees. Now all you bastards let these bitches get on the train first. Then, and only then, all you filthy bastards can get on.
to which Mom was not having it, and immediately took Johnny aside and said,
Now, Johnny, we've talked about this. You can't be talking like that.
and seeing as how little Johnny had been having problems with these kinds of outbursts, she puts the boy in timeout. Johnny spent his time in the chair without much any fuss at all, and when the time was up, he asked,
Mom, is it okay if I play with my train some more?
Sure, honey, just please, no more cussing.
Little Johnny gets back to the train and immediately takes up his best conductor voice and says,
All aboard. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What a wonderful day we have here in the good old Wild West. So sorry the train will be departing so late. Please do take your seats. And anyone who is pissed off about the 20-minute wait will have to take it up with the bitch in the kitchen.